Hello. Hey, hi, hello. Oh my god, my eye is so watery. Okay. Okay, well, I just had a shower and I washed all of my makeup off. I have new makeup on. And I'm going to show you some of the new stuff that I got and I'm super excited about. I got this new liquid foundation brush. As you can see, it's very clean. It's very soft. It smells so good. Anyways, that's a little creepy. This is the Mineral Liquid Touch Foundation. And it comes in this little squeeze tube here, like a little droplet thing. So it's easy to put on your brush, and like literally all you need is a few drops on the brush. This is freaking amazing. You are going to be amazed at how amazing this is. Okay, so I just put 5 little drops on, and I'm just going to boop, 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 and all I have is and I'm going to apply this foundation to my face. Now I'm using the cell phone as my mirror, so it might not be the greatest. Oh my god, it just smells so good and it feels so good on my face. Wow, from those 5 tiny little drops, I got full coverage on my face. Just checking the mirror to make sure I got it all. Full coverage, and the best thing about this foundation, I swear to God, is look at the brush. It looks brand freaking new. There's nothing on there. Like, the liquid, like I don't even have to clean this. Like, boggles my friggin' mind. Boggles my mind. It's crazy. Like, I can't believe how clean that brush is. Like my other foundation brush, like I don't even want to talk about it. It's so gross. But anyways, this is the Mineral Liquid Touch Foundation in Scarlet. It's backwards, but it's the lightest shade because this ginger needs a very light touch. Oh, it feels so smooth. It literally feels like silk on my skin. Oh my god. Okay, so the next thing that I got in my package was the Mineral Touch Concealer. So I've got a few blemishes here that I'm gonna cover up. I'm just gonna use my finger because I don't have. Just going to put that on there. and I'm gonna do a little before and after demo with my tattoo on how well this stuff covers up a tattoo, because I've seen pictures and I've always wondered, you know, how good is that really? How well is this gonna cover up my tattoo? Not that I want to cover it up, because I love it and that would be blasphemous to cover up my tattoo. I'm pretty sure Michelle would kill me. Kill me. I don't ever want to cover it up. But anyways, that looks pretty good. Little bit of concealer, never hurt anybody. Oh, my face just feels so smooth. It feels, whoa, my eye is so red. Sorry. Can't help myself. Oh my god. That just smells so good. Not bad, not bad. Okay. So, the next thing that I got in my fun little package was this plush lip liner. It's very like a nude color. Plush. It doesn't focus very well. Plush. Oops. I'm gonna use it as an all over color. I love this color. It looks so good. The great thing about these lip liners is that they can be used as an all-over color. I love how soft it is. It doesn't feel like a lip liner or a lipstick. It just feels natural. Whoops. Obviously, throwing stuff around. What else do I have here? Trying to save the best for last. Oh, I got the eyebrow pencil. Where did it go? I got the eyebrow pencil in light. Now, as you can see, I have eyebrows, but they are so blonde. Like, I need as much help as I can get. Ugh. Like, they don't even exist. Eyebrows are so important because they can shape your face. I'm so close to the camera right now, it's freaky. So you just want to make sure that you have all of your hairs in a row. Boop, boop, boop. The way you shape your brows, you want to make sure that you are using the natural shape of your eyebrows, or else if you don't, you end up looking like a McDonald's billboard, and that is not something anybody wants. That is not something anybody wants. So the way you shape your eyebrows is the corner of your eye is going to be the start of your eyebrow. The outer part of your iris is going to be where your arch starts, and the slant of your bottom lid is where you're going to want your eyebrow to end. And Younique has made it so easy for you to shape your eyebrows because they came out with these. they are eyebrow stencils, and there's 5 different ones that you can kind of match up to your own eyebrow shape, and it shows you where to start, where the arch is, and where the end of your eyebrow should be. This is going to be my lifesaver. Hello. Oh. Really, they're just like vinyl things that you can re-stick back on. You just kind of do this, and you just kind of line this up with the corner of your eye. Where your eyebrow should be, like that. And you just kind of draw it on. Look how amazing would I look with eyebrows? Like, I can't even, it just kind of sticks onto your face. Oh my god, like how great is that? And then you can just do your other one. Stick it on like that. Boop. So that is crazy. Just kind of wash it off. Washing it off. Anyways, that is amazing. Love these things. I'm going to get a lot of use out of them. A lot. And they just stick right back on. Whoop. They did stick back on. Anyways, probably didn't clean it very well. There we go. Anyways, that is going to be amazing. And it just comes in this nice envelope, eyebrow stencils. It's $11. $11 for brows. So, that's that. But I have this eyebrow gel, which I friggin' love. Love this stuff. Okay. It's so easy to use. I just brush it on into my eyebrows because it's late. Like it's 11:15. And I don't really feel like drawing my brows on right now, so we're just gonna gel the shit out of them. We're gonna gel them up. Like, look at the difference that makes even, like, just a little bit of gel brings them out. And this is in light, so if I got like a medium or a dark, I think I might get medium next time I order, because I'm almost out of this stuff because I use it every day, and it's amazing. Like, for reals. Now I have a little bit of color in them. They're beautiful. I don't have to worry about it. Look at those lips. They feel good. And then I got this blush in Seductive, and I cannot get over this color and how good it looks. I'm naturally flushed, and I put look at this color. I just love it, and it looks so good. And you don't need a lot. Like, I did not put a lot. put it on the apples of my cheeks. Oh my god. This looks so good. Oh my god. I love this. Oh. So cute. Oh, it's amazing. This color is like, it goes with the lips, it goes with the, oh, I just can't get over it. Anyways, and I got the liquid eyeliner, and if you haven't noticed, my happy face, I made this happy face with this liquid liner probably about half an hour ago. Like, I'm scrubbing that, and it's not coming off my hand. Oh, a little bit. But like, seriously, it's pretty good. The stuff is going to be amazing. Ooh, it tickles. The thing I love about these eyeliners is that they're so, like, the color just shows up. I'm so far away from my mirror. Ugh, isn't it gorgeous? I freaking love it. Oh my god. Frick. This is literally the best. Oh, I'm amazed. This is the best liquid eyeliner I've ever used. So easy to apply. It's not messy. Just admiring my work. My eyeball is so... like, look at how clean this is. Can't get over it. Oh my god. My favorite thing. I bought the Eyeshadow Palette number 5. Ding, 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 ding. It's beautiful. I love it. And I'm gonna do a purple and a gold. And it's gonna be amazing. Need my fluffy brush. My fluffy brush. So I'm going to use Suspicious just on my lid. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. This is kind of like a base color. Oh my god, it's so perfect. I love it. Oh, my eyes are very green today. And then I'm going to take, let's take this light purple. It's called Victorious. Oh, it's gorgeous, honey. It's gorgeous. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer corners and kind of blend it into the crease there. Oh, I guess you can't really see what I'm doing. I'm trying to look in the mirror at the same time. Just on the outer part there. No jokes, this eye always turns out better than this eye. This eye is so watery. I don't know why. Okay, anyways. Now I'm gonna take this super fancy gold called Vindictive. And I'm going to put that God, right in the corners of my eyeballs. Oh my god, I can't handle these colors. I can't handle them. They're gorgeous. Oh my god. Number 5. I'm so glad I went with this one. It is, these colors are amazing. They're so me. Oh my god. And then I have this amazing purple Moodstruck Precision eyeliner pencil, and I'm just gonna do the inner waterline. Oh, my eyes are so watery. To give a nice punch of color on the bottom, which I love. I'm just gonna redo this liquid liner on the bottom. It's this eye is so watery. This is friggin' gorgeous. I'm blown the frick away. This is so gorgeous. Oh my god. Like, I barely use any product. My face feels so light, feels so good. This stuff doesn't smell at all. Like, I've bought CoverGirl makeup before. The cover-up just smelled like chemicals. I barely used it and I had to throw it out. Like, so gross. And like, this stuff, it smells so good. That's what I love about this natural makeup. Like, it smells like flowers. It smells so beautiful. It just smells good. I could probably sit here and smell it all day, but like, seriously, this eyeshadow is gorgeous. Like, I can't wait to use more of it. It's so gorgeous. I'm freaking blown away. Like, I love this stuff. I love it. And like, I'm not usually a brand snob at all. I've been changing up my makeup brand every time I go to the drugstore to buy new makeup, and I've never fallen in love with anything. I was CoverGirl for the longest time. Before I got into Younique, I was into my eyes watering again. I got into NYX, and I love their lipstick. I'm not, you know, that's that red shade that I use all the time. But it transfers, and I have to reapply it every couple hours. Like, if I do anything, like even talking too much, you know. I've just used so much stuff. I've used Gosh, I've used Annabelle, I've used, like I said, CoverGirl, I've used Maybelline, I've used Revlon, I've tried Mary Kay. Like, I've done it all, and like, I've used MAC eyeshadows before, beautiful pigments in them, but I found that they smudged a lot. I don't know if that's just because of my skin type, or, you know, like, I always had them in the crease and whatever, you know, you understand. I cannot believe how much I love this stuff. Like, other than Beachbody programs, like for working out and stuff like that, I've never been so in love with a brand, and I can't get enough of it. I just need to share it with everybody, because everyone deserves to feel good about what they put on their face, to feel confident that they're buying a quality product, something that they're going to fall in love with. You know, like, I still can't believe this foundation brush. Like, I'm carrying it around like, hello, like, it doesn't even look like I used it. The foundation just disappeared on my face. Like, it just covered everything up, and I just can't express how blown away I am with these products. Love them. Love them. And you can tell my excitement on Facebook. Like, I love getting deals, and I love, you know, hearing what people think about the products, and if they don't like them, I want to know why, and, you know, and it's insane. It is insane. I want everybody to try it. Everyone should try it. Give it a try. This video is half an hour long. I've been so serious this entire time. Like, look. Oh my god. It looks so good. I don't even have like mascara on or anything, but I could pull off this look in like, I could do this in like 5 minutes and be good for the day. It's so cute. Like, look at these lips. Oh my god. Oh, another thing that I got. I haven't even opened it yet. The stiff upper lip. I know, I'm jumping around again. This stiff upper lip stuff. Do you want to know how amazing this is? can turn it upside down and it doesn't spill. That's pretty cool. It's like a blizzard from Dairy Queen. Should I put this over the lip liner? I'm going to put this over the lip liner. Show you how sweet this color is. So this is a lip stain. This is the same color that I used on the Starbucks coffee cup. I just let it dry, put my lips on a Starbucks cup, and none of the color transferred, and it's amazing. It's amazing. And like over top of the lip liner, it's darker. It's not as bright. Like, I mean, it's pink. Like, this color's pink. And over top, like, it doesn't really match what I got going on my eyeballs, but definitely want like a more natural nude lip. Oh my god, this eyeshadow was amazing. Ooh. Okay, I think I gotta finish this off because this is now 31 minutes long, and I have to go to bed. It's 11 o'clock. So, I'll take a few pictures of myself. But this is gorgeous. I love it.